Day 3. Headed up to another hike. What is this one called, Arden?
Nā Pali Coast.
Oh, Nā Pali Coast. I think it's like over double than the one we did yesterday. At least. Cold brewing it up.
Brother's got full breakfast burrito in.
He's got a loco moco probably.
He's gonna have a blowout on the trail.
Good thing that it all the time. Now starting on our second hike, the Nā Pali Coast, with these dudes. And this cave looks awesome. That's not where the hike is, but we just wanted to check it out.
Mike, check out this for Dankshire.
Dang, that thing's huge. Oh, that's just water right there.
Thank you.
There it is up there. Check. Wow. Nā Pali? This is the Nā Pali Coast. We're headed down and we're gonna veer left, hit some waterfalls.
However, there are some trees that nobody's ever taken a shot from.
Yeah, right?
Hey, Fjord.
Sweaty?
Yeah, that's about it.
Like,
Dude, so I just realized how close we are to imminent death.
Hello.
Whoa. One fall.
And there are a bunch of people take
There's a
pictures
cliff
there,
right
so
there
I
to the
think
ocean.
some of those, like hashtags. Thank you. Though.
Would you like one though?
You guys want one?
You mind?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
No, why not?
That's why she asked. Smart move.
Nice.
I know.
Well
Very
played.
smooth.
Mike, can you take a picture of me though?
Yeah, got it.
All right.
Dude, Andrew, what kind of fruit is that?
Guys, we're 3/4 there.
It's not a pineapple, but what is it? What is it, dude?
That's an apple.
Oh,
Apple coconut.
apple coconut?
Not now. We're almost there, guys.
Water. Unseen currents have killed. No, this somebody wrote with a Sharpie to be funny.
Yeah, they're just like check marks on there.
Still quite a bit dead.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at that water. The water just keeps getting like prettier and prettier. My goodness. Some fresh looking water.
Okay, let's set up camp maybe over there somewhere. Out of the way of people walking.
Camp?
Constantly.
You want to camp out?
No, like a little beach area. Yeah?
On the beach?
Set up over there somewhere. People can kind of move back and forth.
Is this the first waterfall spot? Why are we stopping?
Oh, look at that hole.
Yeah, no, I want to go in there.
Dude.
Oh, you guys gonna get in right here?
Add to that tally.
I'm gonna watch you guys.
Oh yeah.
This is why they warn people not to swim here. Multiple rescues and drownings. So we came from down here. We're here, and we're headed all the way here. Dang, that's far. Dude, come on, let's get in here.
Hey, this might be a tripod shot.
But okay,
Eric, might be a tripod. Did we get tripod it?
Andrew's going up.
Dude, Andrew's going.
I want to get up too. Hold on.
Dude, kid.
One.
Would it be bad to write this down?
No.
What do you mean write it down? You mean the one right above my head?
Dude, this guy's going full panda.
Dude.
Full bananas.
Yo!
Yo!
Monkey man.
Hey, come on, man.
Show off.
Yo.
Whoa!
Fudge, Keith, you're freaking me out, dude. What the heck?
This is Ben Stiller's character on Heavyweights right now.
Dude, I'm still.
All the kids are like, oh, Tony.
Oh my god.
Keith, I know, bro.
This is why we bring Keith to all our trips.
No.
No, bounce more, dude.
I think you got that brand pound.
Oh, monkey man.
Well, we have a new caption picture for your vlog.
Yep, monkey man. Found in bamboo. These guys are about to do some bamboo jousting.
Probably gonna take us like 5 hours.
Artem's arming himself. Andrew is fully armed. Whoa.
Ready, bro?
Wait, get on the other, get like way over there. I want like, there you go. All right.
Martin literally gets picked up.
Ready?
Fight to the death. Wait, what are we doing?
Run into each other and just stab him right in the chest.
You go left.
That was awesome, guys.
That was
Jousted. Next sport, javelin. Do it, Art. Yeah. Oh, perfect for him. Yes.
Look how many tables you could get out of that trunk. Right. Like full dining room. Like. Wow.
Whoa. I feel like we're almost there.
They said that they planted some coffee up.
The waterfall's in sight. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Starting to get a little treacherous. Oh, dude. Are you alright, bro? Oh my gosh.
Andrew,
Dude,
say what's up.
Huh?
Say what's up to the world.
Dude, we made it. This is probably one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever seen in my life. Super tall, lots of people around.
Yeah, it has everything except too many people. And apparently the water is freezing. But
We're going in, we're diving deep.
that don't stop Keith, and that don't stop Mike.
No way. Stephen Curtis,
Not even
we're
my
diving
honey's
in.
gonna stop me.
Get that. He ain't playing, yo. He ain't playing. Alright, here we go.
We're gonna go swim underneath that waterfall. Oh, there's a lot of people here, though. Somebody's jumped in already.
Oh man, he just belly flopped.
Oh, he's really flopping those rocks right there, dude.
Andrew jumping. Oh! I don't know if I'd go head first with a bunch of rocks there. Right there. Oh. Okay. Nah, dude.
Let's keep going higher, of course.
I do 40 feet or
Of course, he has
above.
to one up us.
Yeah, no, Keith.
Look at him. Man, he's crazy.
Keith is like one of those
How deep is it over there?
wimps.
10 feet.
It's about 8 to 10 feet in certain areas, but that limb made it. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just do it, Andrew. Jump.
This flies nice.
We're headed back now. These guys are going a crazy way.
What's up, world?
Tired, Artem?
Yeah, it's a doozy. But we're on the last mile, so we're...
Are we? No, probably a mile and a half. 8-mile hike is done.
Like a flat intersection.
Headed back to the vehicular.
We had one. And
That family that noticed me on the airplane, we saw them for the 5th time today.
Yo, you
Well, not just
post
today,
that
but
on your vlog,
call because they might watch it. Then it'll be weird.
No, it's cool. I'm saying it's cool. I'm saying it's cool. We saw you guys for the like 5th time.
Yeah.
And they all kind of posed with us and got a picture. It's cool. Dude, I've never been noticed in public like that.
Mike, your first fans.
Wait, I don't think I have. Actually, maybe.
That's a lie.
I have been. Like 2 other times, actually. Oh, Mike. Sweet. We just got one of those. Aaron, great idea, dude. Great idea. This guy got soup. I don't know why.
One good idea a day.
Artem sharing the wealth, buying his man.
Eating beef jerky. I take care of my people.
Dude, thank you so much, bro.
Yo, hurry up and cash at me.
I'll get you back. We were planning on going to the hot tub, but this is just too relaxing. Artem, you gonna get up? Oh, you got milk.
I got milk,
disgusting. I can't even think about drinking milk right now.
Are we going to the hot tub?
Dude, I totally want to. Here's our view. Got some chicks right in front of us. Where'd you guys go? We're gonna go have fun in the hot tub. We're kind of in this like community area. Renting from an Airbnb. Pretty nice place at a very low price. Hit the wall. Dude, this looks like a scary alligator.
I forgot what I was gonna do.
That's going on. Oh my god. What?
What?
Jeez. These are my friends.
Are you guys putting left arm over right or what?
Keith, he's the adventure outdoorsman. Andrew, I would say, is like the theologian.
Oh.
I would say Artem, dude, he's just pure life. Pure life, bro. Enjoyment.
Pure life, Jim.
Aaron, dude, you just have a nice, calming presence. Very positive.
Oh.
And just, you know, people just want to be around you, dude. And me, I don't know. What do you got, guys?
You're a drug lord from Miami.
This is how chill we are. A bird can walk by
In
us.
the last 6 months, not even the last 6 months, I think it was under 6 months.
Ants and the Yoshi people.
Yeah,
Every
it's
single
crazy.
day, we see them everywhere.
Isn't it insane, dude?
Isn't it your bathroom time?
Look at this sweet knife.
Scary, bro.
This is very, dude,
Look at this.
my knife, bro. What do you think, dude?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Chris Reeves.
It's at 4. Yep.